Good morning, everybody. Glory be to the Lord. We're going to continue with our classes of today. We're going to continue with science. Okay, so please, everybody, go to the page number 226. Sorry, 225. Okay, of your book. We're going to talk about the climate. I want to, someone of you can show me the page, okay, of your book, okay. Let's see. Okay, yes, that is the page. We're going to talk about the climate, okay, and I want to see. We're going to read all those pages, okay, about climate. The page number 225, 226, and 227, 228. Okay, so we're going to continue, or we are going to start, better to say in that way. We're going to start with our class of science because we have 2 hours classes. If the conference finished, don't worry, we're going to continue with a second hour of classes to continue working. Okay, we're going to read those pages. Okay, right now we're going to read those pages, and then we're going to solve or to answer the questions of each of the pages. Okay, so let's start to see. Bless you, Fatima. We are going to start to read the page. Okay, let's see, Roland. Let's go to page number 225 and start to read it, please. Okay, Roland, can you start to read on page number 225? Okay.
Water in the air. Have you ever watched a cloud get larger? Have you tried to see shapes in the clouds? Clouds come in many shapes and sizes. Remember that clouds form when water vapor changes into tiny water droplets or ice crystals.
Yes.
Whether a cloud is made of water droplets or ice crystals of earth, height in the clouds is often much lower than the temperature of the air close to the ground. Even on summer days, many clouds are made of ice crystals. The ice crystals and water droplets in clouds can join together to make larger particles. The particles can get so large that the gravitational force due to the mass of the particles can cause them to fall out of the cloud. This is how precipitation forms.
Okay, thank you, Roland. Okay, how do clouds and precipitation forms? Okay, one way is to see the water on the air, in the air. Okay, as you see, clouds form when water vapor changes into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Whether a cloud is made of water droplets or ice crystals depends partly on air temperature. Okay, now Let's see the other one. We have precipitation. Jimena, read it, please. Page number 226. Now, Jimena, read page number 226. Is Jimena in here? Yes, is Jimena in here? Jimena? Okay, Fatima, read it, please. Everybody must have to get your book in there. Fatima?
Mándalo ya. Precipitation. You may be surprised to learn that most rain in the United States starts as snow. The temperature of the air high above the ground is often below 0 degrees. Clouds of ice crystal form in cloud air. The ice crystals grow larger until they start to fall as snowflakes. As they fall, the crystals sometimes stick to other crystals and become large snowflowers. In the temperature of all the air between the cloud and the ground is less than 0. The ice crystal will fall to the ground as snowflakes. The ice crystals from a cloud many shades as they fall through different layers of air. If the ice crystal fall into air that is warmer than 0, they will melt and fall as rain. If the air near the ground is very cool, the rain sometimes freezes before it hits the ground. The frozen raindrops are sleet.
Continue. Continue,
Hay
continue.
formation.
Yep, continue.
Hay,
Continue, Fatima.
hay formation. Sometimes strong winds and blow upward through a thunderstorm cloud. These winds blow raindrops back up into the freezing air at the drop of the clouds. This creates a small piece of ice. As the ice is blown through the cloud many times, many layers of water freeze on, on it. Finally, it gets too heavy for the winds to carry it back up. This frozen precipitation that forms in layers is called hail. The hailstones fall to the ground. Most hailstones are about the size of a pea. Some can get bigger than a baseball.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Fatima. Okay, to continue watching in the slideshow, so I show you with you in the screen, we're going to talk about precipitation. Okay, the precipitation, the ice is formed basically. The ice crystals grow larger until they start to fall snow as snowflakes. Okay, if the temperature of all the air between the cloud and the ground is less than 0 degrees centigrade, the crystals will fall to the ground as snowflakes. Okay, let's continue. What is snow? Let's continue. Catherine, can you read
Mr.
Sorry, I can hear you.
What page?
You have to follow the reading, people.
Sí, ya sé, iba por hail formation.
Okay, I don't know where is the page of snow. Okay, snow is formed when the temperatures are low and there is smoke in the atmosphere in the form of tiny ice crystals. Okay, that is snow. If you see, we have the pictures. Okay, and what is hail? Okay, hail occurs during severe weather such as thunderstorms when dust of particles in the air collide with cold water. That is we call granizar. Okay, this is called granizo. Okay, continue reading, Jimena. Digo, I said, Catherine, the page number 200, 200 what? 227, I think. Yes, 227. Please read the page, please.
Most clouds are made of ice crystals and water droplets. Ice crystals melt as they fall south. A thin layer of warm air hangs above the ground. Ice crystals melt as they fall south. Warmer air they fall to the ground as liquid drops. If raindrops fall for a longer time through cold air, they freeze and fall to the ground as frozen drops called sleet. If air between the clouds and ground has temperature too, ice crystals fall as snow. They reach the ground as frozen crystals.
Okay, thank you, Catherine. Okay, as I told you, okay, what is snow? It forms where temperatures are low and there is most moisture in the atmosphere is the form of tiny ice crystals. Okay, that is snow. Okay, people, stop writing on the chat, please. If you don't listen, well, don't worry because we're going to upload the video to the platform. So please pay attention. Okay, now to see what is a hail, okay, hail occurs during severe weather such as a thunderstorm when dust of particles in the air collide with cold water. That is, we call, I told you, as granizo. Okay, now what is sleet? What do you think is sleet? What do you think is sleet? People, sleet is a mixture of rain and snow and is kind of winter precipitation. Okay, to finish with this last shout, what are you going to do? What are you going to do right now? On the pages of your book, you're going to answer all those questions that appear on the page number 225, 226, and 227. But we are going to answer in here, not as a homework. We are going to answer right now in here. Okay, the number one said, identify what are clouds made of. Underline a statement or statements to support your answer. Okay, if you already answered, wait a minute. Because first you have to pay attention to the class. No se adelanten. Okay? Okay, number one, identify what are clouds made of. Underline a statement or statements to support your answer. I hope to everybody's answer your question on page number 225. All of you must have to answer. I saw you, a lot of you who's only watching the camera, waiting for the answer of another one. Okay, everybody answered the question number one. Let's see. Valeria, can you read me the answer number one? Okay.
Clouds form when water vapor changes into tiny water droplets or ice crystals.
Okay, nice. Yes. Okay, the question is, what are clouds made of? And we have to underline the statement or statements to support your answer. How or what are clouds made of? Water droplets or ice crystals? When you support your answer in the part that said clouds form when water vapor changes into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Okay? Whether a cloud is made of water droplets or ice crystals depends partly on air temperature. The question number two, write about it. Use what you know about water on Earth. Tell why clouds are important. The answer is from you. I will listen the answer of each one of you. So write about it in those lines. Use what you know about water on Earth. Tell why clouds are important. In your own words, you're going to answer that question. All of you must have to answer that question, okay? You have 2 minutes to answer. You have 2 minutes to answer. And each one of you are going to answer that page. Don't tell me, yeah, mister, okay? I will have my timer, okay? Don't write me, yeah, mister, or you already finished. Don't write me that, please. I ready my timer to see the time. We're going to answer each question, okay? Okay, let's see. Roland, give me your answer of the number two, of the question number two. Use what you know about water on Earth and tell why clouds are important.
Clouds are important because if we don't have clouds, we don't we can have rain.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Let's see. Leda, Leda, give me your answer, please. Why clouds are important?
Clouds are important because we need rain because there are many people that go and burn the forest.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Another one. Yvette, give me your answer. Why clouds are important? Yeah.
Mm,
Why clouds are important?
Yo te lo mande extraño. Y que te dice que te arrastre, ahí dice arrastre. Enséñatela.
Let's see. Yvette, do you have your answer?
Pero ahí abajo dice también puedes cargar.
No, Yvette, you don't have your answer? Okay. Guardiola,
Because help regulate the water balance.
okay, very good. Thank you, Guardiola. Let's see. Jose Valenzuela, give me your answer. Why clouds are important?
Because they cause rain and the rain makes grow fruit and vegetables for, for the animals and humans.
Okay, very good. Let's see. Um, Valeria, give me your answer about why clouds are important. And then Eric.
The clouds are very important because they help the humans, the plants, and the animals too. And if can't have clouds, we not have rain.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's see. Eric, see properly. Okay, Eric, let's see your answer about why clouds are important. Eric?
Clouds are important because the clouds produce water to the plants.
Okay, can you read it again, please? I can listen you very well. Can you read it again, please?
If no have clouds, then no have rain. If no have rain, no have water to the plants.
Okay, thank you. Let's see, Juan Diego. Why clouds are important? Give me your answer.
The clouds are important because the clouds give to the plants water.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's see, Dylan. Let's see, Dylan. What is your answer?
Clouds are important because can help to regulate the earth.
Okay, thank you very much. Ana Cecilia, what is your answer?
To have water in the earth and air to breathe. To breathe.
Okay. Cesar, why clouds are very important?
The clouds are important because they save animal, forest, and human.
Okay, thank you very much. Fatima?
Clouds are important because they give us water and help to grow the plants.
Thank you very much. Let's see, Jose Manuel, why clouds are very important?
The clouds are very important because produce water for help the plants.
Okay, we have only 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to continue to answer with all of you, the rest of you, and we're going to finish the conference and then we're going to reconnect again, okay? Catherine, give me your answer.
The clouds lead to precipitation, occurs, and to earth water.
Okay, thank you very much. Dana, Dana, why clouds are important?
Because we need rain. Because we need rain in the farm and when the forest and when we have the dry.
Okay, and let's see, Karin. Where is Karin? Ah, Karin, why clouds are important?
The clouds important clouds. She drops water.
Okay, let's see. Jimena, why clouds are important? Well, let's continue. Ricardo, why clouds are important?
Clouds are required for precipitation to occur, and hence they are an essential part of the hydraulic cycle.
Very good, excellent answer. Let's see, Nico, Madeline, what is your answer about how clouds or why clouds are important?
Because we need the rain, and if there won't be rain, there will be a drought and the plants won't grow.
Okay, thank you very much. And Andrea, Andrea is the last one. Andrea, what is your answer about why clouds are important?
It's because the clouds are important to the lakes because if there are no rains, the lakes always be the lakes have no water.
Okay, thank you very much. People, we finished the page number 225. Then we're going to answer the page number 226. We only have 5 minutes. We're going to disconnect this conference and we're going to reconnect again to continue with the science class because we have 2 hours. Okay, but start to answer. Okay, and you have to draw a conclusion. Listen carefully. Suppose you know Suppose you know the air temperature from the ground all the way to a cloud is cold enough for water to freeze. The cloud forms precipitation. What conclusion could you draw about the type of precipitation that falls? Underline the facts that help you draw your conclusion. Okay? And we're going to summarize what causes layers to form in hail. Now, for the last question about why um clouds are important, okay? Let's see. In my own answer is clouds are important of the water cycle. Clouds move water to other places on Earth. Okay, so we're going to disconnect and we're going to reconnect to answer the other questions. Okay, please reconnect again. I want to see you, all of you again.